welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So in today's video I am doing a vlog because I'm going to Auckland. I don't know where to look, like there or to the screen. Maybe I should look to the screen, like you guys, or there. Oh my god, I'm looking in all the wrong places. Okay, I'm gonna look at you guys. I am going to Auckland for a Lush event tonight, and then I'm staying at my friend Sabi's place, and then we're going to CreatorCon tomorrow. So it's the first time they're hosting CreatorCon. There's going to be 150 content creators, and apparently like there's over 100 on the wait list. So I feel so grateful to be invited to something like this. Yeah, it should be fun, and there's going to be lots of brands there and media and people within the industry, and
100 km/h speed camera ahead.
I don't know if you can hear that. I've got my Google Maps on. So yeah, there's going to be lots of people in the industry, and they're talking about all things like engagement and growth and trends and like just all stuff about online stuff. So I think it'll be really handy for me, and it'll be good to network and meet lots of people within the industry and other creators. So I didn't want to say no to this, even though we are going to Japan next Tuesday. Oh my god, I'm going to overtake this car. Hang on a minute. Okay. This is not a nice angle. I'm sorry guys, I'm just on a bit of a time crunch. Okay, do not do what I'm doing and trying to vlog and drive. It's fine though, I'm like balancing it on the steering wheel, so I'm not like distracting myself or anything. But anyway, when you first see this video, we will be off to Japan like tomorrow, like on Tuesday, because I'll be uploading this on Monday. Right now is Wednesday though, the previous week, so yeah. And I thought, oh my gosh, like how am I going to fit in a video? I've got so much to do. And then I was like, well, why don't I vlog CreatorCon? Because CreatorCon is so cool. Like, I don't know, we've never had that before, and I just feel so privileged to go. By the way, I didn't even say why I'm dressed like this. The Lush event tonight is intergalactic themed, so that's why I've got like these space buns and like these stars and like this silver glitter and these little stars on my face, and then I'm wearing like this star outfit, which I thought was quite cute. I literally got ready within 40 minutes, which is so quick for me, so I'm like, ugh, don't feel like the best. Could have like concealed my pimples a bit more, etc, etc, and the buns are like a bit crooked. I had no time to refix those, but all good. I had to get ready super fast because I had to do some content today, and I had to post for Eagle Ridge, which is like a wedding venue that I do social media management for. And then I also had an appointment, like a skin appointment at 10 o'clock in Papamoa. Then yeah, I just had to post like my TikTok and my Instagram. Oh my gosh, there was so much I had to do. But anyway, I'm going to take you along with me tonight, and yeah, we'll go for a few hours. I'll try and get as much footage as I can tonight, hopefully I remember. And it's not a +1 event, so I was like, oh my gosh. I do know a few people in my agency going, so that is good. I actually asked for the invite list, and I knew like 4 or 5 that were going, so I was like, okay, that's alright. I shouldn't be nervous, you know, going to things myself is a little bit nerve-wracking, but I do know.
80 km/h speed camera ahead.
Gosh, Maps warning me on speed cameras. But anyway, I thought this was quite cute. Matthew's like, oh, I've never seen your hair like that. Oh my gosh, my buns look a bit crazy. I wish I did them more like higher on my head, but oh well. He's like, I've never seen your hair like that. He always likes it when I like experiment with my hair. So yeah. So anyway, I better go now. I better focus on driving. I'm about to go through the Karangahi Gorge, which isn't a nice area to drive through. But yeah, I'll probably be at Sabi's at like 4:45, and then she's dropping me off at the event. I'll probably be there quite early. Yeah, and then yeah, I'll be staying at hers, and then we're going to CreatorCon, which is at 11 tomorrow. But anyway, if you like this video, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday and YouTube shorts every day, but this is going to be my last video up because we're going to Japan. Just know that I'm going to have like a cool Japan vlog, and like I'm going to film like a video of us eating like Japanese candy, like a cool taste test video, like me, Matthew, and my sister, who's also going to Japan with us. But anyway, I better stop shopping and I better go. So yeah, see you later guys.
executive for Lush Australia and Aotearoa. Yeah. And your name? Georgia. Georgia. So nice to meet you.
Wow.
And then you also have this is our every Christmas product that we created this year. So you have is PR executive for Australia and Aotearoa. I may be a new face to some of you this evening, but rest assured to bring a little bit of extra joy to people's day. And so in store, this might look like our team gifting.
So, like Georgia said, everything at Lush is fresh and it's quite literally handmade. Thumbs up if everyone has their blue mix and their white mix. You've mixed the citric acid into the white bowl and you've mixed the citric acid into the blue bowl. Yeah?
Okay.
So these are the two components that we need to make the big blue bath bomb. We just had a club. Let me hold it for you. I'm just gonna take a look.
Yeah. Learn from that mistake. What do you want to do? Grab your bath bomb, one hand, and then pull off the glove over the bath bomb and wrap it around the
Oh, good. So
Yeah, it looks good.
There you go.
Is it gonna stay?
Yeah. So just leave it in the mold. Just leave it, yeah. And it'll look a bit looser now because it's been like pushed down.
Yeah.
Do you want to show us your bath bomb?
If you're gonna hold it back to the table, and that's when we're gonna start wrapping those things.
It's a show and tell. Yeah.
Love it. So cute.
Alright, here we go. Here we go.
Oh, I have the same stick.
Yeah, do like that. That's so cool. How does it do that?
Oh no.
My shoelaces are digging into my
Hey guys, so just got back from the Lush event. That was honestly so much fun. We got to make our own bath bombs, which was so cool. We made like the mixture in the bowls and like squished it together, which is crazy how it like molded together like that. And yeah, we heard all about how they made the products and how they're handmade, and all about their stores and their new products for the festive season. And then we got to choose some products for a loved one and then learn how to wrap them up and either make like a little bag and just like choose the different wraps that we could use to wrap them up in. So that was really fun. And then there was like endless drinks and lots of food, and I honestly ate so much food. I am staying at Sabby's at the moment. Her room is so fancy. I love it. Look how fancy this is. Such a pretty room. But anyway, we're going to get up early and have some breakfast and then get ready and then go to CreatorCon tomorrow. But yeah, we stayed at the event. I stayed at the event till like nearly 10 o'clock. Sabby and her friend came along at the end, so that was really cool. Had a few drinks, and yeah, so we're just gonna get freshened up now. I'm gonna have a shower and stuff, and yeah, we got to get up early for CreatorCon, so I will see you guys then. Hey darling, my name's Patricia, or should I say Alyshia? My extensions, darling. Oh yeah, like give us a swirl. I'm gonna pull all the boys. Guys, so we had breakfast this morning. We quickly got ready. I made us a little late as per usual, but it's 11 o'clock now, so we shouldn't be there in too long. I'm with Peyton. Hey, Savvy's driving us. Yay! So yeah, we're all going together, and yeah, we'll see what the day brings. And I'm just gonna take you guys along with us and see what it's all about. Girls,
I
you're in the
always
vlog.
wanted a little blonde girl.
Yeah,
Sorry.
You're in the vlog.
Now you got two.
Yay! Getting our name tags.
Ooh, Alyshia.
Have you all on the stage today to talk about your TikTok journey and how you make money on TikTok. So you all have very different lifestyles and careers, but I want to go back to day one on TikTok. What was your first TikTok video? How did you get started? Who's going first? Jazz, you're laughing. Come on, let's start with you.
My first video doesn't exist. One that blew up and I was like, this is a powerful, powerful platform, and that's when it started for me.
Yeah, I discovered you a couple of years ago. Your tutorials are really fun as well to watch. Like, there's lots of makeup videos out there, but I almost have a giggle at the very first 5 seconds, right? Because you've always got a really funny commentary on how to do that. Let's go, Darwin. You have the pleasure of being one of the hosts of the...
The best stuff comes out of the breaks. We hear that all the time from these types of creator events. So while we might have different content focus areas, we often hear this.
And you know, back in my day, everyone was watching things sideways on your telephones, and then all of a sudden on your telephone, I even see telephone. And then they start telling us you need to start making square format, and I just used to fight everything. I hated it. And,
Ready? Sasha! Yay!
And everyone's trying to fix shit that's happening right now. But the facts that we know, in that time since 2010, I've spoken to over 250,000 young people. I've listened to over 250,000.
Okay, me and Peyton, we've got boots. We have to make some kind of... we have to make some kind of content. Oh, hello! Okay, we're gonna make something with the boots for Gumbo Friday. I have no idea what we're doing, being honest.
And you forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground.
Be discovered by anyone at any time.
I was just going to say, it's kind of flipped the switch a little, and it reminds, there's an Australian artist, music artist, he's called Tom Hart.
Hey guys, so we are back from CreatorCon, and we also went to this bar afterwards to do lots of social networking and talking to everybody. Met so many lovely creators today, and yeah, we were just listening to them speaking on the panel, and they were talking all about like how to grow and TikTok live and trends and just what works well within the app and things you should be using and doing and all of that kind of thing. So yeah, I found it really helpful and got like lots of information from it. You want to be in it? Sabi was amazing too. She's like, oh look, there's this person. Like, she's so confident. I need to learn from Sabi.
I hustled to introduce Alyshia
She
to all the brands I know.
Sabi was so good. I was like, I was feeling socially awkward, but Sabi was amazing. She's
I was
so
like,
confident.
I would bring someone to the table, like drag them by the hand and be like, this is Alyshia, and then run off and go find someone else and then drag them.
Yeah, she was honestly so good. I was like, oh my gosh. Because in the bar, I was like, oh, like, yeah, wasn't speaking to anybody. But yeah, it's good once you get going.
I feel like Alyshia looks confident online, but she's a very sweet,
gentle
introvert.
I am a little bit like, I'm a social person, but I'm quite anxious, so it takes me a little bit to like start speaking to people. But Sabi was good. I appreciate that. She got us talking to people and stuff. But yeah, what did you think of the event?
I really enjoyed it. I feel like I learned so much about being a creator.
Yeah.
I got, I guess I knew most of the brands, but I did get to talk to like the
she did
TikTok
good.
team actually.
Yeah.
So that was really...
Yeah, that was good speaking to the TikTok team.
And I guess you got to
was
connect
really
with like other creators we've not met before,
there was
like newer creators.
Yeah,
and
there was
stuff,
a
which is
few.
quite-
Yeah,
did
was
you like
good.
it?
Yeah, I liked it. Yeah, like I said, like learning so much information and stuff and meeting others. I wish I spoke to more people, but I always do that. I'm always like, oh, I could have spoke to that person. I could have spoke to that person. But it was good overall.
Well, this is so exciting for us. This is the first New Zealand.
Yeah, exactly.
Creative
Yeah, and
event.
they did well. Like that was their first event, so that was like pretty good for the first like Creator Con. So
yes,
but yes,
I will leave you to keep.
Yes, she's fallen. She fell on the beanbag. She fell. That was classic. Oh my god. Okay. So anyway, guys, it was so much fun, and thanks Sabby for hosting me. I stayed at a beautiful house. Oh my gosh, I love that house. But anyway, I'm gonna go, and I've got a big drive back to Tauranga. And then yeah, the next few days is gonna be really stressful. I have to like get everything done. I haven't even packed for Japan, so I'm gonna be doing that. And yeah, have a few days to quickly like see my family and stuff, and then yeah, we're off on Tuesday. So when you see this video, this will be up on Monday, so we're off to Japan tomorrow if you're watching this now. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked watching me come along to these events, and yeah, had some fun. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday and YouTube shorts every day. And yeah, I will see you guys in like 3 weeks time. A well-deserved break. I'm looking forward to it. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later.